Saturday project. We're going to be putting in about 200 feet of French drain along the front of this barn. I got to rip these bushes out. They're having a problem with water since the barn is kind of built in a low area and it's all rock, like bedrock, and you can't dig it down. The water is trying to run into the building. So I'm going to rip these bushes out and put a French drain along the front of the building and run it over next to the rock wall to catch any of that water that's trying to pull up in between the building and the road here, that's trying to go under the wall there into the horse stall. So Justin's helping me today. He's on the skid steer. How do you like working for me, Justin? Oh, let's rip these bushes out and figure out the best way to get this ditch dug right up against the wall of this building. I'm thinking the smooth bucket. We'll find out here shortly. Justin said he rolled it out and it was meant to be. We got that dug out. We're putting the pipe, it's only about 3 or 4 inches below grade, and we'll backfill all this with rock. There's no need to put it down any deeper. It's all surface water that is trying to run under the barn, so having it deeper to catch any groundwater, that's good, Justin, is not doing anything. It's just wasting stone. So all it is surface water. They really need some more downspouts. They got a darn half-acre of barn going into 1, 2, 3, 4 downspouts. They need another one right there. I think it's really the water pouring over the gutter that's causing the problem. So with all this filled with rock, whatever pours over will wick down through that rock and into this pipe and take care of the problem they got. And then we got to fix this downspout and then do the other side where all the utilities are. Should be great. All right, we'll get this laid in here and put some rock on it. So we got that side done. Now we're gonna rip these bushes out right here. I got some utilities down here I got to contemplate with, and another gutter downspout. So this side is gonna take a little while longer, but I'm gonna rip these bushes out. Justin's gonna find a couple lines. There's that gutter downspout's clogged up, and there's a drain for a wash stall down there we got to find out. But I'm gonna go ahead and take, like I said, take these bushes out while I got this bucket on, put the smooth bucket on, and we'll do a little skimming, see what we can locate. So here on the side of the barn, we have a downspout right here, and we also have a wash stall on the inside. Well, both of those were clogged up severely. That wash stall was just, it was going into a corrugated plastic pipe, which is down here somewhere. I don't know what Justin did with it. Anyway, it had so much doggone mud in it, you couldn't, it couldn't hardly flow. So my idea was, PVC is slick, it shouldn't clog up, because they washed the horses in there, and then all the shavings and dirt and everything clogged the pipe up. So we decided to do 4-inch PVC, tied it in. There's another wash bay right there, and I tied it in over here. And also this gutter was clogged up, so I figured, you know, there's going to be a lot of dirt and debris going down this pipe, so we'd run this gutter downspout into that, so every time it rained it would pretty much flush the pipe out. And there's no way that that pipe could ever overdo that where it would back up. So I think that was a good idea to do that. And it runs out all the way down to the bottom of the hill into a ditch from a previous pipe that I already put in. We just tied into that. And we've got power lines and sewer lines and cable lines and everything. That's why it's only about 8 or 10 inches in the ground. So we got to work with. We got this figured out, hooked up. We'll cut that off, and then up here we're going to do a French drain and then tie it into that trunk line down here, and all the drain line will be done. So there's where the French drain comes out. I just spread what was left of the rock out up here, but we got everything graded off. The landscaper's going to come and replant that, so I didn't get that perfect. We got all those bushes taken out, the drain put in over there. That way they should take care of any water issues I have.